Going on holiday.
Wait, man, let me pay, man.
Listen, you can't always be looking
my trim, nah, you can't do me like this.
Oh my days. Anyways, so again, it's the airport. So we'll see you then. So we just got to our hotel and I have to show you because it's actually so nice. Even though I moaned because this isn't the hotel that I actually booked in it, yeah. This is meant to be better. Look at how nice outside is. Oh, look at it. So nice. It's actually massive. And then you have the bathroom, the bed, even a little mirror. Ready for me to flash you a blackjack?
Who?
You.
That's a man.
They're actually so nice. How can we come back and they bought us a fruit bowl and whatever, apricots. I actually love this hotel. Sorry, it's 5-star living. Yeah. What are you excited for, Valds? Do you know it's Valds' first time out of Europe? I can't believe it.
Me like this.
And we're in Africa, mate.
That's not many, don't worry.
Oh, okay, we'll see now. I'll see how I feel about, you know, spending a whole lot of time with you, you know?
Because you're not having this time.
Do you know what, yeah? Do you know the thing, yeah? About when you go on holiday, you know why I don't like going on holiday with people sometimes, innit, yeah? Because I booked the whole blood clot holiday. He's done nothing. He actually done nothing. Nothing. It's like literally all he had to do was, here Tia, here's the money. And then he turns up, he was like, wow, is this a hotel? Wow, is this da-da-da-da-da? It does nothing, mate. Nothing.
It makes sense though.
No. Next time I go on holiday, yeah, I'm not going on holiday with no one that doesn't put input. Never again. Never again. Tram. For too long, I need to put my sunglasses on so they don't stink. But I just thought I'd tell you that because it's night time. Anyways, what did we do today? I feel like we did a lot, but we didn't actually do a lot.
Yeah, we actually done too much.
You think we did a lot? I don't think we did a lot, you know.
Not a lot, but
we just did a lot of walking in town and stuff.
It's so dark already.
It's because the
no, the tan don't actually the sun. See what one day does to you.
We're really not that talented, really not. But by the end of it, give me 4 more days, you know, I'll be looking like sweet chocolate babes, you know? Like I already am, but you know.
Looking at what?
Sweet chocolate babes.
Oh wow.
Why are you hating?
Wow.
Why are you
Lost
hating?
your man.
Oh yeah, that was our first day in Morocco. It's been good so far.
Oh, definitely was.
It was good, yeah.
Spent too much.
This damn tour guide man conned us, yeah, 100 dirhams, which was like 850. How did I spend 200 dirhams?
Just know if you come Marrakesh.
I didn't do anything.
Marrakesh is a finesse city. Just know that.
He was like, yeah, it's part of the hotel, it's free. And we just got off the hotel free bus that I showed you the last time probably. We got off that and he was standing next to it, so I believed him in it because at first I was like, and he's like, yeah, go up to the shuttle, the guy that drove us there. And I was like, okay, I'll believe him in it, yeah? And I was like, I'm not giving you any money though, like I've been here before, and now you guys are. He's like, yeah, it's okay, like it's free, don't worry.
The hotel pays him apparently.
He goes, the hotel pays us, me and 5 other guys. So I'm like, okay, then calm. And he showed me his ID. It didn't say the hotel ID in it, yeah? And I still thought for a second, but I was like, you know what, fine. So he was so nice. You know, people are so nice to you. Like he took us. We actually, the thing is, yeah, even though I paid him that money, like he actually took us to good places. Like we met this like guy who's on my video, the guy at the place who gave us free tea and all the different. And so we had fun though, but it just wasn't worth 100 dirhams when you told me it was free, little bitch. Anyway.
We got broad daylight.
Did you enjoy it? Because he's never been, I've been here, so it's not like surprising to me. But is it what you thought it would be like?
I don't know, people, I came with a clear head, but it's like I kind of expected it, but I didn't. But yeah, it's definitely very, very nice. Very humbling trip. It's very humbling.
basically I was meant to reply to this woman's email and I forgot to reply to her email. So I don't actually know if we're gonna go on this tour. But I'm just gonna pray that God's got me and that they're gonna turn up at our hotel and that we're gonna go. Otherwise I don't know what we're gonna do if we're not, you know? But yeah.
It's sad.
I'll be really sad. I'll be really, really sad because I really wanna go on this. So I'm gonna try my hardest. So we'll see what happens, you know, let you know. I take nice pictures of Valds. No one's there. Look how he takes pictures of me. What am I going to do with that? You can see my bag on the floor. Man told us to shower. Look how close we are to this waterfall.
So yeah, talk us through. What are you doing?
What?
Oh,
The song there. Song.
This is the oil. No. I do low-key want a picture, but I'm too scared to be doing that nonsense. So, you know, I'll just look from afar. It's right at dinner. You can't really see because it's really dark. But Val's got calamari, potatoes, bravas. I don't know what's filled in that empanada thing. I got sausages, wings, and fried halloumi. And his food always looks better than mine. You know when you get food envy because his food looks better. So I'm really sad again because my food yesterday was crap. In my sunglasses when I vlog because I have bags under my eyes and they don't look nice. So anyways, so we just came back from the spa and we had a traditional hammam, I think that's how you say it, just so nice. Like my skin's popping, but you can't really see it on this camera, but you know, it's popping.
melanin, as you say.
Yes, melanin. And it was like a scrub. No, they like wash you and they scrub you kind of as well. And they wash. It was really nice. Mine was for like 40 minutes and I don't know why ours was for like 25 minutes. I think because like obviously, you know, I'm a girl, they just wanted to give me a better treatment, but yeah. And then what else did we do? Now we're going quad biking. Yesterday as well was really good. Last night we went to this restaurant. I'll link the restaurant. It was really nice. They had like belly dances and stuff. So the food was good there. The last 2 days my food was alright. But yeah, we're going quad biking now. Hopefully it comes. Yesterday, oh yeah. So we went to the waterfalls. It did come. Like obviously I WhatsApped them bare times and it came. It was fun, whatever. But then now, this company is a different company. So they haven't messaged me or anything. And I'm like, what if it doesn't come? So again, like, I'm going to be like, I don't know if it's actually going to come if I actually go in. So we'll see what happens. But I'm hoping it'll come. I'm going to go down now and wait and see if it comes. Oh, we didn't vlog yesterday because I didn't bring my camera, but quad biking was really good. And then after quad biking we came back and went to the pool for a bit. And then I went to bed really early at like 9 PM because I was really tired. I don't know what I was doing.
Oh, 9 PM, you know.
I was really tired.
So early.
Even now I'm really, really tired. I just want to sleep. I'm so tired. Now we're gonna go to breakfast and then we're gonna, it's our last day today. How sad are you sad about? So sad, the tears are coming. But yeah, we're gonna go to breakfast and then we're going on a tour to the Atlas Mountains. Every time I vlog in the morning, I always say about how I don't know if the tour man's coming, but he does come.
No faith. She never has
no
faith.
Like some of them email you, some of them don't. But he still came to pick us up, like it was on time and everything. So I have faith in this one because we've used this company before. So we're gonna go on a tour of the Atlas Mountains and I'm gonna bring my camera today. But yeah, I really recommend this hotel. It's really good. How many stars are you giving it, Valds?
4.
4. Yeah, I think it's like 4 stars by English standards. It's 5-star by Moroccan standards, but it's 4-star. But it is really good hotel. So it's my typical everyday breakfast. So ham and cheese omelette with bacon and sausage, fruit, granola, and then this Moroccan pancake, which is like amazing, and peach juice. Don't be a pussy, get on the bridge. Look, see, he's going. I'm actually going on it. I don't care. I'm going on it. No, man. I'm going, man. No, I'm about to scare you. Jesus. Oh my goodness. So we made it. We're literally climbing rocks up this damn mountain. So we are back eating at the same place we ate on the first day. When was the last time I vlogged? This morning we went to the mountains. That was really good. I nearly died on the way back down. And these guys catched me just in time, caught me. And then, yeah, we went back. We got on the shuttle bus again to like the square, which is where we are now. And we had the biggest palaver. Yeah, when you don't give people money, they're rude to you, yeah? How can this guy, he was trying to help me find food. I didn't ask him. And everyone knows I'm picky with food, yeah? And I didn't like the places that he told me. So he started calling me he was like, if he wasn't here, I'd beat you up. Like, he was like, you English people. And I was like, I'm half African. He's like, no. I've never had someone be so rude to me, you know. I still can't believe it. He said he would beat me up. A grown man, you know.
Yeah, right now you sound very calm.
If you saw me, I wanted to cry at first, and then I was really angry. Then we went back to the main square, and then we're back to where we ate the first day, where I didn't like my food, but I like Valds food looked nice, so I got what Vald ordered this time. So hopefully it's nice, otherwise I'm just crying. But our last night we're gonna go home and then play bowling because our hotel has a bowling alley. Oh yes, I was gonna ask you, how was your first holiday being outside of Europe?
Oh man, can't lie. The Moroccan culture. Yeah, no, it was definitely amazing.
So would you come back?
100%. Ooh, actually, I would, but I would be very careful.
This is my second time here. I'd come back, but I wouldn't come. I did more fun activities this time. But I didn't. No, I booked the activities, but I didn't like that. The man ruined my trip, and that was just at the end. The man ruined my trip. Like, he was so rude to me. I went to cry. So off to the airport now. I might vlog a bit there, maybe not. So if not, this is the end of our vlog. Tia and Val's adventures. So yeah, see you next time.